name is Selby. I work at FANUC UK as a business development manager. My role within FANUC is to ensure we secure business with those end customers that use our product, but also to secure business with OEM customers who build our product into theirs. We work with customers in many different ways. With Recycleye, we took a stance that we wanted to be at their side from day one. We had very early engagement with them. We put in place a plan that allowed us to actually de-risk their final offering of a product to the market as much as we could. This meant that we had to do simulations, we had to do physical trials, and we made sure that we were in a position when we finally released that product to market that it was going to work. Yeah, exactly what they were going to offer to the market was the product that they had dreamt of when they started the company.
My name is Victor Dewulf and I'm the Chief Executive Officer of Recycleye. So the Recycleye product is a combination of a vision system that's able to identify every single item in complex waste streams with the FANUC robot arm that's then able to automatically separate those recyclables. Everybody per day generates an average of 1.5 kilos of waste. All of that waste eventually reaches, if you do put it in the red recycling bin, a large-scale waste facility. And our product is all about making those facilities more efficient, run 24/7, to ultimately reduce the cost of sorting and enabling higher sorting rates. The FANUC robot we're working with is a marvel of engineering. It's a system that operates 24/7 for 8 years, and after all that time will still come back to the same millimeter point that you've told it to move to. And so obviously leveraging this as a base to really build a robust system has allowed us to really accelerate our product development.
When we engaged in those very first conversations, we had to find a way to differentiate Recycleye against the competition in the market. Now there are many different ways in which we can use robotics to actually pick waste, using delta robots, so the sort of spider type robots, but also 6-axis robots, and also different ways in which we could actually use those robots to get the highest throughputs possible. We ended up with a solution that allowed a higher throughput than what was sort of already available on the market, and a really great solution which used quite a small robot, easy to deploy, easy to install, and with fairly low lifetime costs.
FANUC started supporting Recycleye when we were just a team of 4 people, and they really put their faith into us and in the product we set out to deliver. And they've really been a key part in supporting us in growing into a company that's now 30 people and deploying all across Europe and beyond.